Download, how to use CNET Download, the free software download sub-website at CNET. CNET Download is one of the Internet's oldest and most trusted software repositories, offering a vast library of applications for Windows, Mac, mobile devices, and web browsers. Here's your comprehensive guide to navigating and using this platform effectively. What is CNET Download? Platform overview. CNET Download, download.cnet.com. Serves as a centralized hub for software discovery, reviews, and downloads. The platform has been operating since the mid-1990s, making it one of the most established software distribution sites on the Internet. Key features: extensive software library across all major platforms, professional reviews and user ratings, malware scanning for security, version history and update tracking, free and paid software options, creating your account, registration benefits, track your download history, create wish lists for future downloads, receive update notifications, access exclusive content and early releases, participate in community discussions. Account setup process. 1. Visit download.cnet.com. 2. Click sign in or register. 3. Provide email and create secure password. 4. Verify email address. 5. Complete profile with relevant preferences. Navigating the platform: main categories, Windows software, desktop applications, utilities, games. Mac software, Mac OS compatible applications. Mobile apps, iOS and Android applications. Web apps, browser-based tools and extensions. Drivers, hardware drivers and system utilities. Search functionality, use specific software names for direct results. Browse by category for discovery. Filter by platform, price, and user ratings. Sort by popularity, date, or editor choice. Safe downloading practices, security features. CNET scans all software for malware and viruses before making it available. However, additional precautions remain important. Always download from the official CNET pages. Check user reviews and ratings before downloading. Verify publisher information for authenticity. Read the download description carefully. Installation best practices: create system restore point before installing major software. Close unnecessary programs during installation. Read installation prompts carefully to avoid bundled software, pub. Choose custom installation to control what gets installed. Understanding software types: freeware, completely free software with no cost. May include ads or limited features. Often community supported or basic versions of paid software. Shareware/trial, free trial periods with full functionality. Time limited or feature limited versions. Require purchase for continued use. Commercial software, full paid versions available for purchase. Often includes customer support and regular updates. Professional grade features and capabilities. Making the most of reviews, reading CNET reviews. Professional reviews include pros/cons analysis. Technical specifications and compatibility info. Comparison with similar software options. Overall ratings based on multiple criteria. User reviews, real-world usage experiences. Installation and compatibility reports. Performance feedback across different systems. Tips and tricks from experienced users. Download management, organizing downloads, create folders for different software categories. Keep installer files for future reinstallation. Document license keys and registration information. Track software versions for update management. Update strategies, enable automatic update checks when available. Subscribe to software update newsletters. Check CNET regularly for newer versions. Balance new features with system stability. Mobile app discovery, iOS and Android sections, curated app selections beyond App Store recommendations. Professional reviews of mobile applications. Cross-platform app comparisons. Beta and early access app information. Mobile-specific tips: check app permissions before downloading. Read recent reviews for current version feedback. Verify developer authenticity. Consider storage requirements and system compatibility. Specialized software categories: system utilities, antivirus and security software. System optimization tools. Driver update utilities. Registry cleaners and system maintenance. Creative software, image editing and graphic design tools. Video editing and production software. Audio editing and music creation apps. Web design and development tools. Business and productivity, office suites and document editors. Project management tools. Accounting and finance software. Communication and collaboration apps. Troubleshooting common issues, download problems, clear browser cache and cookies. Disable ad blockers temporarily. Try different browsers. Check internet connection stability. Contact CNET support for persistent issues. Installation issues, run installer as administrator, Windows. Temporarily disable antivirus during installation. Check system requirements compatibility. Free up disk space if needed. Restart system and try again. Advanced features, software collections, curated bundles for specific needs. Essential software packages for new systems. Industry-specific software collections. Educational and student software selections. Developer resources, information for software publishers. Submission guidelines for new software. Beta testing opportunities. Developer community forums. Staying safe online, red flags to avoid, unusually small file sizes for complex software. Missing publisher information. Overwhelming number of negative reviews. Requests for unnecessary permissions. Suspicious bundled software. Best security practices, keep antivirus software updated. Scan downloads before installation. Create regular system backups. Use standard user accounts for daily computing. Research software thoroughly before installation. Alternatives and comparisons, similar platforms *, Softonic, International Software Directory. FileHippo, version-focused software repository. SourceForge, open source software hub. Microsoft Store/Mac App Store, official platform stores. When to use CNET download, seeking established, trusted software sources. Need professional reviews and comparisons. Want comprehensive software category browsing. Require legacy or specialized software versions. CNET download remains valuable for software discovery and evaluation, particularly for users who want professional reviews and established safety standards. While app stores have become primary sources for mobile software, CNET download continues serving as an excellent resource for desktop applications, utilities, and specialized software across all platforms. The key to success with CNET download is taking time to read reviews, understand software requirements, and follow safe installation practices. This approach ensures you find reliable software that meets your needs while maintaining system security and performance.